supplementation. Whether you're an athlete, a student, or just someone looking to boost their overall health, zinc could be your secret weapon. Let's dive into the top benefits. Immune support. First up, zinc is renowned for its role in supporting a healthy immune system. It helps your body fight off nasty bugs and viruses, keeping you feeling your best. Wound healing. Zinc plays a crucial role in wound healing. It helps your body produce collagen, the protein that's essential for repairing skin, muscles, and other tissues. Boosted brain function. Studies suggest that zinc may enhance cognitive function and memory. So, if you're hitting the books or looking to stay sharp at work, zinc could be your brain's best friend. Healthy hair and skin. Zinc is also fantastic for your hair and skin. It helps maintain the health of your hair follicles and skin cells, keeping your locks luscious and your complexion glowing. Improved athletic performance. For all you fitness enthusiasts out there, zinc could take your performance to the next level. It's involved in energy metabolism and muscle repair, helping you push through tough workouts and recover faster. Mood enhancement. Feeling a bit down? Zinc might just lift your spirits. Research suggests that zinc plays a role in regulating mood and may help alleviate symptoms of depression and anxiety. So there you have it, from supporting your immune system to enhancing brain function and even improving athletic performance. Zinc offers a myriad of benefits, but remember, like any supplement, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before adding zinc to your routine. Adheres to your health and vitality.